Yeah, we had reports of trees down in several places too, so we sent 10 on your side's Brett Hall out to check on conditions in one neighborhood. He's joining us live. So what are you seeing, Brett?
Well, we're seeing the effects of what that really fast-moving system Don was just talking about did here in the 5,000 block of Cape Henry Avenue. That's just off Princess Anne Road in the city of Norfolk. There is a tree that is causing a lot of people to be in the dark tonight. You can see it right there, snapped off its tall perch and taking down power lines. According to Dominion Energy, about 1,000 out because of this line that has been broken. And this is also affecting traffic on the Norfolk Southern line, the track that goes between their main line in Norfolk to Little Creek, Fort Story. Now, no word back from them tonight on how that'll affect their service, but it's a branch line, so likely the removal won't be moving so fast. We haven't seen any crews from that railroad over here yet, but Dominion Energy, they are out here. And so are some people that are looking to keep warm on this chilly night now that they don't have power. I spoke to a man who lives just north of where we are, and he says this all happened so fast. He said he barely heard the winds when the power went out, and then he went outside to see some debris in his yard.
Drive my kids around until they fall asleep in the car, keeping them warm since there's no no heaters on because the power's out. And we're about to go out to eat dinners.
And as I was saying now, Dominion Energy on both ends of this road starting to do work. Something I talked to a police officer real quick, and they want to stress that there are some major intersections that are still without power along Princess Anne Road. And please, please use them as a four-way stop. A lot of people were going through them and not abiding by that rule. We almost saw an accident on our way here. So if you're out driving tonight, be aware of that. Reporting live in Norfolk, Brett Hall, 10 on your side.
A dose of